Hello everyone and welcome to another Muse Kits What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today we'll be going over what is in October's box. We got some really cool stuff this month, so let's hop down below and see what we got. So opening up the box, you will see your brochure. Opening it up, it'll give you a little bit of history on where it all started with smart art to where we are today. Flip to the next page and you'll get an introduction to this month's medium, and flip to the next page and you will see your tools and everything you're going to find in this month's box. Flip to the next page and you will find your quick start guide to give you a little bit of a starting idea on how to use these products. And flip to the next page and you will find this month's challenge prompts as well as some pointers on how to get the best results using these products. Flip to the next page and you will find your skill challenge guide to help you get a little bit of an extra challenge using these products. And flip to the final page and you will find everything you need to get your Laurel points as well as the Muse Kit community images from September. So the first thing out of the box is the Black Fine Liner 6 set. This set of 6 pigmented liners have 6 different size nibs that are perfect for writing, calligraphy, sketching, and drawing. These fine liners are filled with a water-based pigment that is water resistant once dry. Create a very fine line using the ultra-fine nibs ranging from 0.1 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters, or create very dynamic broad lines using the 2 millimeter or brush nib. Next out of here we have the 9 color fine liner marker set. This assorted set of 9 color pigmented liners have a fine 0.5 millimeter tip that is perfect for writing, sketching, drawing, and more. Featuring a long metal tip with a water-based pigment that is also water resistant once dry. These are perfect to add a little bit of pop to your drawings this month. And out of here next we have the metallic marker 12 color set. This assorted set of 12 water-based and highly vibrant metallic markers are non-toxic inks and quick drying. They are also water resistant and smudge proof once dry, offering a smooth application of pigment on a variety of surfaces such as paper, stone, plastic, glass, metal, and more. The metallic inks show vibrant on both light and dark surfaces. And out of here next we have the Goldfaber Colored Pencil Set 12 pack. These colored pencils are highly pigmented and resist fading over time. Their break resistant 3.3 millimeter lead are also water resistant and smudge proof. You can achieve a variety of drawing techniques such as sketching or fully colored masterpieces. These colored pencils are so nice to add to your supplies. Next out is this felt zipper pencil case. Keep all your stationery items together in this stylish little felt pencil case. Featuring a very sturdy material, this pencil case is perfect to keep all of your materials safe at home or on the go. With a zipper on top, you can be assured that your pens and pencils will not go anywhere when you are on the move. Okay, next we have the Mixed Media Black Paper Pads 400 series. Create bold effects on this black paper with metallic inks, watercolors, gel pens, pastels, colored pencils, and more. This is the ultimate paper for mixed media work, ideal for studies or finished artwork. This glue-bound pad contains 15 sheets and featuring a flip cover. This will be so much fun to draw on this month. And next out of here we have the Mixed Media Tone Tan Paper Pads 400 series. This paper has a characteristic of watercolor paper with the finish of drawing paper. Ideal for any mixed media applications including watercolor, gouache, acrylics, graphite, pens, inks, colored pencils, markers, pastels, collages, and more. This glue bomb pad also contains 15 sheets and features a nice little flip over cover. And a little bonus tool in here which is going to be your little handheld pencil sharpener. This is perfect for you to keep your pencils sharp at any moment you have the inspiration to draw. Throw this in your pencil case when you're on the go or just keep it ready on your desk. But that is everything in our box except of course our sticker and candy, but let's get everything out and see what we can make using these materials. So with this piece, I decided to make something that would be really fun for the holiday season, and I went with this cute little bat. I thought this was a really fun drawing to make this month during the month of October. He kind of has those vampire bat fang kind of thing going, but he's not very scary with his really big eyes and a really big smile. Now, one thing I really want to remind everyone about when they're using the metallic markers, these will draw right over anything that you have already drawn on the paper when you're outlining everything, so please just take your time when you're doing those outlines. But I am going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in October's Muse Kit box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now remember to check out the weekly challenge prompts in your brochure, as well as the weekly challenge videos where I try to do each one myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using the hashtag MuseKits, or tag us at GetMuseKits to get your 500 Laurel points. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, and if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!